going to consider some spellings. Alright? We'll consider rhymes. Then we'll consider stress. We'll consider stress. Have you studied? Okay. Let's begin from the down. Alright? From the third one. From the third one. Let me give about 10 words. And I need you to correct them. If I say correct the spelling. Alright? All the words I want to put here, they are wrong. They are what? Wrong. Number one, the one we are very familiar with, privilege. Number two, vacuum. Number three, accommodation. Number four, occasion. Number five, symmetry. Number six, occurrence. Alright? Number seven, okay, let's make do with this 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because of space. Okay. So the following words on the board are incorrect. The following words on the board are incorrect. I need someone to spell them correctly. Someone has tried this privilege that the correct spelling is P-R-I-V-I-L-E-G-E. Don't make such mistake again, alright? Number two, what do we have? Vacuum. Yes? VAC. Again. VAC Juju-M. VAC Juju-M. Very good. So this is wrong. This is the correct spelling. Alright? Number three. ACC. OMM. ODATION. So we have accommodation ACC OMM ODATION. Accommodation. Alright. The next one is what? Again. Again. I want to hear your pronunciation. It is what? Spell it. Can someone spell it? OCC ASION. OCCASION. Now this is pronounced occasion. Occasion. Alright? The transcription is O-K, then you have this. Occasion. Alright? Occasion. Number next, what do we have? Symmetry. C-E-M-E-N-T. Again. N-T, yes. A-R-Y. Is that correct? No. Who can give it a try? Another try. Another person wants to try. Okay, it is C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y. Symmetry. C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y. C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y. That gives us symmetry. And the last one, what do we have? Occurrence. Yes? Anyone? OCC URRENCE. So you have 2 C's, 2 R's. Okay? In accommodation, you have 2 C's, 2 N's. You have 2 U's. Okay? So all of these, as simple as they are, you can fall victim of them. And we have more. We have more. Alright?